Hello and welcome back to our channel.
Today's video is from footage that is a couple of weeks old. There have been more important things going on and we haven't really picked up the camera as of late. So this is all of the miscellaneous stuff that we have gotten done and just haven't shared with you.
I hope you enjoy. This is about the scariest router bit I've ever used in my life.
It's huge.
This sawdust cleans up fairly easily. Because God knows it's everywhere.
Oh my god, everything is everywhere. Kitchen stuff stashed with work stuff, stashed with everything. Everything's all just mixed together.
I'm going to show all my ugliness here of where I put that board on that I realized was in the wrong spot and had to remove. It's amazing how quickly that glue dried.
Yeah, that's
what
ridiculous.
Was it, about 20 minutes, and I tried to remove that board and it did not want to come off.
No, not at all. Imagine how much easier this would be if we weren't living on the bus right now.
Yeah. Whatever. It's 9:15 at night. It's kind of nice to be able to work and then go to bed and not have to drive an hour or 10 minutes home.
Yeah, that's true.
Just gotta clean up some sawdust before you go to bed, or at least before you make it.
By the time we would drive home before, I would be so tired, or not tired anymore. I'd be wide awake by then. I'd get wired up a little bit on the ride, and that always sucked.
Yeah.
Oh, there's your ugly part.
Yeah.
It's going to look really pretty when there's a countertop there.
Just like that.
Of all the things I thought I would be able to do this summer, gardening is not one of them. It's always been a big part of my life since I was little. For years we had an organic garden in the back of our house in town. We had 13 3-foot by 5-foot organic garden beds in our backyard. And I worked at a greenhouse. I worked with plants. So moving onto the bus, for me, that was the challenge, was the plants. Where do I put the plants? How do I do this? So I've got my house plants that I'll have inside, and we're also going to have herbs inside. Once we're on the road, they'll be inside. But while we're here, the gentleman we're renting from suggested that we have a garden while we're here because there's good soil and a lot of sun, and he's all about self-sustainability. So Andy has been mowing today with the reel mower, and those pots back there are going to be getting filled with the dirt that this young man has been out collecting for me.
White bug.
White bug. That looks beautiful. That's going to be beautiful in those pots. Beautiful. Okay, you can bring it over this way and you can put it in this big one.
I need to get back to working on steel and have a new toy to unwrap at the same time. It's grass fire season, and that's where he's going. Big enough for what I need, small enough I can transport it on the bus. It looks pretty cool. Has a cool digital readout.
So I'm sitting on the bus with my cell phone camera out ready to record because Andy's taking Connor out to learn how to drive for the first time. And I realized that I have this camera. Why would I use my cell phone? There he goes. Oh, why does this make me so nervous? Go kid. Donnie came over this morning and said since we're staying here on the property and he brought that truck up here for us to haul our garbage out with, as long as Connor stays on the property, it's legal for him to drive without a license. So he should learn how to drive so he can do all the garbage dumping for us. I gotta say, I think that was just a fine idea. I'm kind of glad he's going so slow he crawled to a stop. That road is pretty rutted, but it'd be a good one for him to learn on. That's for sure. And I'm glad it's Andy taking him out and not me. Whew. I got to teach Allison how to drive. And that was fine because she listened to me a lot better than she listened to Andy. But Andy explains things better than I do, and Connor likes explanations.
Slightly scared of how easy that's going to be to break. But
I like that you can just see it drop out.
oh, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did too. Using the styrofoam underneath gives you a nice support though. I wonder if we should glue this down with a couple dabs of like silicone or something. Something we can...
Oh, something that you can easily remove?
Yeah.
Probably wouldn't be a bad idea so we don't...
So it doesn't move
Give it a
around.
shove?
Being the cooktops going in it. I think that'll work. I think I measured right. I did not round that corner to match this because I guess I didn't think about it.
Perfect. Oh, that looks pretty like that. It's going to look even nicer when we have our, what is that again? Not temporary countertop?
I hope this isn't, I hope it's temporary. It's the exact countertop that lasted 10 years at the laundry room of the last house. And most likely it's still in the laundry room because it was in there when we left 6 months ago. 4
See,
months
that's what
ago.
I meant earlier when I said we should change our channel name.
Not temporary?
It's all temporary.
It's all temporary, yeah. So from here on, I'll be able to cut a piece, and I'll have a scrap from that one that I can fit here. I'm gonna have a couple little seams back there, but as a temporary countertop,
it'll work for now.
I think it'll work really well because it'll give us a spot to mount our sink.
Yep,
that's what we really need.
That's what we need. We need
the hot water heater's in the mail. All the plumbing supplies are in the mail. Hot water, running water in a week.
Oh,
Mark my word.
Nice. That'll be nice.
I've never let you down yet on this build on timeline, so.
Oh, there goes that car again.
What car?
That 57 Chevy.
Oh, okay. I think it was a 56, but yeah.
Or 56.
That's cutting hairs
like
there.
magenta and...
Yeah.
There's the popcorn car.
Focus.
Yep. I always laugh a little when I hear that car. Once again, my hair doing whatever the hell it damn well pleases. Oh well, I guess it's gonna be crazy. So it's finally started to cool down. It was 80 something in here today, but the heat wasn't the icky part, is the humidity. The humidity is always the gross part. Today we are doing countertops, temporary countertops. I told Andy, I was teasing him, that we should change the channel name to It's All Temporary, because apparently that is a word we absolutely love, is temporary. But we need a countertop, and we're not quite ready to have a countertop in the kitchen yet. And so he's got some old white melamine that we had at the house that he was hoarding, that we're gonna cut a sink out, and we've got the cooktop. So yay.
So you read the directions, not me. So before I pull this out, trace the opening underneath, and then flip it upside down.
Correct. At least we'll always know which side is the front.
Yeah.
Do you need a hand?
I think I got it.
Okay, I'll put the fan out of here. Pretty sure it got up over 80.
Yeah, I think so. Okay. So there's our opening. Now what do we do?
Now you put the sink back on it, face down. And give it your best guess where your sink is.
That's seriously the way.
The Subaru and Subi Blue.
That's that one?
Yeah.
That's a Ford Focus. But yeah.
Oh, well, I can't tell the difference. It's the same.
It's a Ford Focus.
They have the same
Subi
fucking
Blue.
badge. They look exactly the same from a distance. It's a blue oval.
So they want me to take a Sharpie and trace a line all the way around the edges of my new sink?
I don't think they said take a Sharpie. I imagine they figured you were working on, like, you know, plywood.
And I'd use a pencil.
And you'd use a pencil.
So these are the lines at the inside, so if I go like that, I got maybe an 1/8 inch just over to play with. About what I have to play with there, so it's going to be centered in there. I have two issues with this whole install method.
What?
And issue one is that a paper template would have cost them 20 cents more. And issue two, all your cutting is being done on the bottom, so all your tear out is going to happen at the top. If I was designing a product,
It just seems strange to not have the template, being it costs so little to add.
yeah, because the sink that we installed at the house came with this just beautiful template. You tape the template down and you were good to go. You knew you were correct. You lined that front edge of the template up with the front edge of your countertop.
It's IKEA.
Here, draw a box and then measure in, what, 3/8 of an inch and draw another box?
Yep.
They have all these lines on here. I'd hate to cut on the wrong wall.
Yeah, no doubt.
As if I just had one to worry about.
Yeah, well,
I think this will erase them. Get out of here. I don't want that in here.
what the hell?
I'll go pick it up.
It's pretty back there. It's a fancy move.
Yeah. Oh, we're not done.
Yeah, you gotta cut that.
I forgot about that.
I love that that eagle just sits over in that tree all the time. No, if they just fly over and land on our dead tree.
Just the wind blow it right in. Air trigger.
We have a sink.
And that leaves us with temporary countertops.
Temporary.
It's all temporary.
Always.
Thanks for watching. Peace.
Bye. They just started mowing.
That's exact. Thanks for watching our video.
Hang on. Sorry.
Thanks for watching our.
Let me know when you're gonna start. Don't just start. Haven't you learned yet?
Nope.
Oh, okay.